Hi, kindergartners. I hope you all are doing really good. I miss all of you very, very much. I wanted to do this little tutorial with you about how to draw an Easter bunny in the grass. It's super cute. It's going to look like this, like a little Easter bunny, see him peeking out of the grass there? So we're going to do a step-by-step drawing. And if you need to catch up or restart the video, you can just pause and then play whenever you're ready. Now, the things we're going to need are, I sent home a blue sheet of paper, light blue, a green strip of paper, okay, that's for our grass. You're going to need a scissors, you're going to need a glue stick, and you're going to need 5 different colors of crayons. So you're going to need a pink, you're going to need a blue, you're going to need an orange, you're definitely going to need a white crayon, and a black crayon. Now, if you don't have these things, you just use whatever you want, okay? And when you are finished with your project, if you could please take a picture of it and just email it to me at my email, my school email at lbickle@seatonrcs.org. Okay, and just send me that picture and then I'll mark you down as doing your project. So let's get started. First we need our blue piece of paper. Now put it this way, not this way, like this, okay? Now I'm gonna draw with a black crayon because if I draw with a pencil, you're not gonna see it very good, okay? So to start with our bunny, we're gonna draw his head and ears first, okay? And it's just an arch, and then there's another arch up here, the big arch for the body and little tail, because he's crouched down because he's hiding, okay? So you're gonna draw a arch like this. That's his head, okay? You see that? Now it's not, I still have all this space here. All right, then what you're gonna do is you're going to draw an ear. All right, so you're going to take your crayon, or sorry, your pencil, and go like this, a little arch like that, and then do one coming from the head here, go up. All right, there's one ear. Now, to make the folded over ear, you're going to do straight line, okay, another straight line, okay, and then you're going to make a long line that goes over the top here. So let me show you. All right, so I have my arch. I have the beginning of, here's the first ear. I have the beginning of the second ear, 1, 2, and then a long one, okay? Now, next what you're gonna do, go this way, is you're going to do a slanted line coming out. It almost looks like now this is a sideways letter V. You see that? And then you're going to connect them. So now it looks like you have a triangle here. So you make, basically what you did is you made like a square here and then a triangle on top. That's a nice little trick there. Okay, now we're gonna make the bunny's back. All right, now this is a big giant arch, goes all the way up. Make sure you leave some room from your paper in the top because we gotta have room for a tail. Now, when you come to the ear that's sticking up, do not draw that line all the way through. You wanna lift up your crayon and then start at the other side of the ear and then continue down to the edge of the paper. You see how the arch starts at the paper, goes up and ends on that paper right here, okay? So now we have our basic bunny body drawn. Now we're going to add some details like the little face and the little tail. All right. So for eyes, you're going to draw one line and then across from that another line. Okay. And then you're going to draw an arch and then another arch. These are his eyes. Okay. And then draw a smaller arch inside. All right, and then for the nose, we're gonna do an upside down triangle. Now you can draw a line and then a letter V underneath there. And then we wanna do some whiskers, 1, 2, 3, just simple little lines coming out. And then up here, we're going to go up and we're going to do the tail. Okay, now the tail is just like two lines coming out, and it's fuzzy, so we're just going to do like these little bumps that go all the way to the other side here. Okay, now for the ears, we're going to do these little details look like the inside of the ear. So following this line here, the same little curve, you're going to stop, and then go down. Okay, so you're making kind of that little shape there. And then for this one, we're just going to do this, down, and across. Okay, because part of the other part of this part is covered up by the ear that's folded over. Okay, so now we're ready to color. Now, since we've used black, well, if you've used pencil, now what I want you to do is take a black crayon and I want you to trace over your pencil drawings. Okay, so trace over everything you did with pencil with the black crayon. Right, and then set that aside. And then we're going to color in using the white. Now, let me tell you, if the white touches any of the black crayon, it's going to kind of smear a little bit. So you want to make sure that you kind of stay out of the black. Now, what you could do, and this might actually be a little smarter, is to color your white in first, your bunny, and then go and outline with that black. That's probably a better idea. So the whole bunny's body is white. Now, I'm doing this super fast, but I know that you're going to do yours a lot slower so that it looks a lot better, because we don't want our bunny to be see-through. We want him to be all white and fluffy, and so we don't want him to be a see-through bunny. He's not blue, he's all white. So you want to color all that, and you want to color the ear. Okay, color that. And then this ear, and here, and here. Okay, and then for the head, we're going to color around the eyes, around the nose. Now, it's going to be kind of tricky getting around those whiskers, kind of going between them. Okay, so I color that super fast. And then we're going to take the orange for his nose. And then we're going to take the pink for his ears, inside the ears. Color that in, and in here. Okay, so we did this and that. And then we're going to take the black crayon again, and we're going to color inside the eyes. So this one right here, we're going to color that in black. Okay, and then we can do some, like another arch out here. We can color that blue out here. Oh. Okay, and then let's see, what else do we need to do? Oh, we have to do, okay, so look, here's our bunny. He's colored. Now, he's colored very fast, because I color very fast, but remember your coloring is kind of slow. All right, so now we need to do the grass, because remember, here's what we have. All right, now we got to do our grass. So you're going to take your green strip of paper, and you're going to make little slits all along here. Now, do not cut all the way down to the other side, because that's just going to cut that off. We want it to be as one piece when we're done. So look, real quick, I'm just moving on down the line here. Cut, 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 cut. All right, so here's the beginning of my grass. Now I'm going to take my glue stick. Now you'll notice that this is the same length as this paper. All right, same length. So it should fit right on there. See that? Okay, so I'm going to take my glue stick, and I'm going to glue down here at the bottom where my scissors did not cut through the paper. Okay, and then take this. You want to match it up with the side of your paper here. See the bottom? Okay. Now, it's going to look like our bunny is all covered up, but here's what we're going to do. We're going to crinkle this little green grass up here a little bit so we can see some of his face. Okay, and it makes it look like real grass, like he's really hiding down there. Okay, and then that's it. You see our little Easter bunny in the grass. Now make sure you take a picture of that, send it to me so I can see your fun little Easter bunnies. And I just want to let you guys know that I miss you guys, and I hope to see you soon. Happy Easter.